Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need two numbers on one SIM setup, a physical SIM and an eSIM profile. First, confirm your phone model and carrier permit dual profiles. Once confirmed, request an eSIM QR or activation code from your carrier and keep your account credentials ready. Make sure your device OS is updated and you have Wi-Fi or mobile data. Now open Settings, go to Cellular or Mobile Data, and choose Add Cellular Plan to begin scanning or entering the carrier's eSIM code. You've added the eSIM profile. Next, configure how each number behaves. After the profile downloads, install and name the lines so you can distinguish them, label one work and the other personal. Then set your default line for voice and cellular data, and choose which line handles iMessage or other carrier services. Make sure to configure roaming and mobile data switching rules to avoid unexpected charges. Finally, assign specific apps or contacts to a chosen line if your phone supports per contact or per app dialing. You're almost done. Test both numbers for outgoing and incoming calls, SMS, and mobile data. Make a call from each line and send texts. Verify data switches when you change the default. If something fails, reboot the phone first, then rescan the eSIM QR or re-enter the activation code. If issues persist, contact the carrier with your device IMEI and account info. Also verify APN and network selection settings, because incorrect APN or manual network locking often blocks mobile data or messaging.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.